Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Bong Swad. Today we are presenting a dessert recipe made from the seasonal fruit pineapple. And here before you is pineapple Firni. Firni is one of the most craved Shahi dessert in our country. So let's learn how to make it. Take around 50 grams of aged basmati rice. If you don't have basmati rice, you can take any scented rice. Soak the rice in cold water and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Basmati rice actually gives a very nice aroma to this dessert. Firni is generally presented in small earthen clay cups, so you can select cups of any shape of your choice. Soak these earthen cups into water for some time so that it gets moist. Moist cups gives a steady hold to the firni that is made. Soaking the cup will help to remove the external dust on it. Keep the cup soaked until the bubble formation completely stops. Once done, take the cups out of water and keep it on a surface upside down. Let the excess water on the surface of the cup get dried up. Strain the water-soaked rice using a suitable strainer. Spread the rice on the surface of the strainer and leave it in the open air so that the excess water gets dried up. The rice took around an hour to get dried up. Now we take this rice and put it into a mixer grinder. We will grind the rice into a coarse powder. Now you can see that the rice powder is not finely crushed. It has coarse material in it. In a pan, we put around 1 liter of full cream milk. Now let the milk get a boil. Our milk has started to boil and now let it reduce. By the time milk reduces, we get ready with our pineapple pulp. Take around 100 grams of freshly cut pineapple cubes and put it into a mixer grinder to make a fine pulp. You can see that our milk has got reduced. Once the milk reduces to 60 to 70%, it is now the right time to add our basmati rice flour. At this point of time, keep your gas flame low and mix the rice flour well with the milk. Continuously stir the whole thing to prevent any formation of lumps. Now we add 1 teaspoon of food graded yellow color into it. Keep stirring the whole mixture. Now if you find the consistency to be thick, you can add 1 cup of milk if required. Now add around 200 grams of sugar and mix well. Once the sugar melts completely, now it is the right time to add the freshly made pineapple pulp. Now mix the pineapple pulp with the whole Firni mixture. The history and the origin of the Firni is still unknown, but it is believed to be originated during the Mughal Empire in India, and thus Firni is known as a Shahi recipe. Now add 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed green cardamom or elaichi. Our Firni is almost ready. Now at the end, we'll add 1 cup of finely chopped fresh pineapple. Now how do you know whether your Firni is ready or not? For this, drag the spatula through the mixture. If the mixture gets stuck to the wall of the spatula, you'll know that your Firni is now ready. Our Firni has now got the right consistency, so it is now ready to be plated. Immediately put the Firni into the earthen cups as per the required quantity. Plate the Firni while it is still warm, or else it will solidify if it gets cooled. Garnish the Firni with some finely chopped fresh pineapple and also some finely chopped almonds. You can also use any dry fruits of your choice. Now wrap all the Firni cups with an aluminium foil and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours before serving. Take the Firni out of the refrigerator and serve. If you like my recipe, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.